Cheers.
Okay.
Cheers. This guava cheesecake is delicious. Chocolate tart.
Too much chocolate.
What's your rating? So-so. So guys, we are on the plane and we booked a window seat and there's no window.
So, and we only get this here.
How unlucky. Anyway, we're testing out our new mic, so hopefully this sounds good. We are off to Durban. So we haven't been in Durban for a long time. We are going to spend Christmas in Durban, so we'll be hanging out with the family quite a bit, but we'll try and show you what we get up to.
Yes, we're going to show you everything we can. Bye.
So this is the person who chose the side of the plane where we don't have a window.
People on the other side as well, they don't have a window. So
They have a window. Look. So tell us why you chose the side of the plane.
so I can cuddle this way. It's my cuddling side.
Excited to be in Durban. What did you get?
I got a vlogging kit.
So cool.
Hey guys, we're testing out my new vlogging kit. You're supposed to say something, right? Hey guys, Mama! And we just finished eating dinner. We're all very exhausted.
See you guys tomorrow.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.
So guys, it's very early in the morning here in Durban. It seems to be like quite a cloudy, overcast and dreary day. Complete contrast from yesterday where it was like 30 degrees. So we spent the evening at my sister a little bit yesterday, and then we are staying here at my niece's place for the remainder of the time we're in Durban. We are up pretty early this morning to do some Christmassy things before Christmas Day. So we might just go check out the malls very quickly, grab a few things that we need, see where the day takes us. See you guys later.
It's today the 21st.
That's correct.
Yeah. Oh, I got a heart.
Tracy loves this section of trees. Okay, so we came to Gateway Mall, do some Christmassy things, but obviously Troy wants to eat as soon as we come into the mall. Why are we here, Troy? You want pizza for breakfast, but it's not a breakfast pizza. Fantastic.
Exquisite. It's your fatties. I want him.
Why are you going to the jewelry store?
Let's go to the jewelry store.
Oh, I love Durban. It's a shirt made out of dish towels.
This was the trip for one.
We only came to go to Discount, and we didn't do that, but we got a boot full of stuff. So we decided to leave the mall because it was getting very chaotic.
Too chaotic. Hi guys, so we thought we'd just share with you two interesting flavors of popcorn from Mavic and Jane. This is the barfi flavor. Definitely has the barfi flavor. Actually quite nice.
Oh, it actually tastes like that.
And the other one is the milk tart. Definitely tastes of milk tart. Not my favorite.
I think it's nice. And then what's the hack?
Butter one as well from Mavic and Jane. Mixed it all up.
Sweet with salt.
2 out of 5. Barfi 4.5 out of 5.
Okay, that's all. Bye.
Bye.
Morning guys, Morning guys, we are at Durban. Morning guys, we are at Durban, Amsterdam, and we are having some McDonald's for breakfast.
But what are we supposed to be doing?
We're supposed to go on a 5K walk.
So that plan has gone horribly wrong. But I think we're going to try and sneak in a walk on the promenade to burn some calories. That's going to be our morning. And what we'll also do is just finish up any kind of Christmassy stuff that we need to do for Christmas Day.
Bye.
Just found a food truck place. This is new. I'm going to go for a walk first. Did you see the food truck place?
Yes, I did.
They got roti and chai.
I'm not a fan of it.
This is awkward. Okay, so we made it to the Forest Cafe at the end of the boardwalk. Trace and Troy gave up a few meters into the walk. So if you're ever walking on the boardwalk and you walk all the way to the end, you'll see there's a little pathway that takes you to this Forest Cafe. You can grab a coffee or a drink or something like that. But it is blazing hot, so I just grabbed an ice cold Energy and I'm gonna head back right now. Oh, by the way, it's also the entrance to the trail walk into the reserve, which I think is now being reopened. Okay, so I decided to take a walk through the reserve. And this is what it looks like. So I'm not going to do the full trail because it's blazing hot and I need to catch up with Trey and Troy, so I'm going to head back. This one is for me.
We're opening up the 22nd for the calendar. Oh, we've got a blue bear.
Oh, it's so cute.
What's that?
So this is the problem with being in Durban. It's impossible to stay on your healthy diet. So you can see here we've got Hungarian tart, I think it's called, but it gets worse. Just look at this. Chocolate cookies, almond cookies, assorted cookies, and one of my other favorite date rolls. This is Christmas time in Durban. about it. Just. Oh, stop! We lost some clothes due to the weather. Someone's undies. Storm just came out of nowhere. Good morning.
Good morning.
It is now
Christmas Eve.
very late in the evening. You've been sleeping the whole day. What did we do today? We just chilled out.
We're opening up the 24th door on the calendar, and then tomorrow will be Christmas. Oh, it's smaller than I expected.
It's a tiny bear.
Yeah.
And what are we doing after dinner?
We're gonna watch a movie.
A Christmas Eve movie. Whoa, Sonic.
Wait, let me look at these.
Okay, so we ordered some food for dinner. Mutton biryani, but it also came with the world's smallest dal and salad.
I finished building the toy.
So this is biryani from a place called Ilachi. Try it. It's nice. It's proper Durban style biryani. They just skimped a little bit on the meat though.
There you go.
That's one.
Yay!
That's only one.
That's one.
Okay, here we go, guys.
Made my family disappear. I made my family disappear.
I said the new jump on the videos right here when I do that.
It's Christmas morning and we're all getting ready for church. But as you can see, there is no shortage of gifts today. Christmas is a big deal in my family and yeah, it's going to be quite the celebration today. But right now, we are off to church. I've got one last gift that I need to wrap quickly. So this is a special gift. It's very sentimental, so I hope everyone loves it. Now the big problem is trying to figure out where to put it because there's no space.
Give to the King of Kings today, who is the Savior of the world.
They'll drive around us, it's not a problem. Merry Christmas.
You don't get this in Joburg. You only get it in Durban.
So Tracy finally got the thing that she wanted for Christmas.
Oh,
I'm wondering what they are about. Why? Put a cracker on each plate, baby.
It's not a real Durban Christmas without samosas. As you can see, this is a major operation.
I pray, God, that you will bless us today as we sit around the table to fellowship.
A small nail clipper for Troy.
What you get?
you got a paper clip. Yeah, paper clip.
This is a wooden spoon or a candy cane?
Oh, I love it.
Good job, Troy.
Hey, what? This is a cool thing.
Yeah, I thought you'd like that. I got a chalky with my name on it. Cheers, Troy, cheers, cheers.
It's the heatless coffee, and I really ordered on take it on you.
Who's that white auntie behind you, Trey?
Matching one, so when y'all go for walks.
Go for a walk. Very good job.
That's soft.
So pretty. Thanks, guys.
Okay, we're taking a break from all the present opening to have dessert.
Shisha, I want my money back.
My favorite. This is so cool, guys. It's a car. It's Iron Man. You're gonna be styling in school.
Hey, I had to go looking for that one, eh?
Thank you, guys. That's so pretty. That's such a cool idea.
That was anticlimactic. We're having cookies and samosa for breakfast.
We are very serious about the taste of water before.
Yeah, I can taste the difference as well.
The samosas keep coming.
This is potato, that's mint.
Okay, guys, so I just found the most Durban thing I've ever seen. If you grew up in Durban, you know exactly what this is.
You can put that down.
You know.
I win.
Oh God!
You change it to his color.
Yeah, playing tri-save.
Coffee mommy is a good luck charm. Yes.
But I've been noticing it.
Surprise!
No. I don't know how to actually do this.
Yeah!
Many more.
And thank you for all the gifts, everyone, even you guys from my
The
actual
Durban people.
birthday and yesterday and the other day.
It's an all-in-one toothpaste. You don't need to be using more than one. So there's no
get a double
unnecessary whatsoever. I know my patients are going to come back.
No, you stuck there. No, you can't move it.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And check out our other videos.